Wait.
You ready for the intro?
Yes.
And stand up, silly.
Oh, yeah.
Alright. Tell me when you're ready.
Wait, what do I say? Yo, what's up, you guys? Welcome back to another episode of Bad Bass Fishing. Now what? Today we are back at the Dig Diner, also known as Lincoln Lake. Is that it?
Yes.
Okay. Now what? Aaron's gonna be teaching me how to use a Baitcaster. We'll see how that goes. So sit back, relax, and enjoy today's video.
Punch it out. It's Aaron from Bad Bass Fishing. But yes, we are going to be teaching my girlfriend Kaylee how to use a Baitcaster. We tried this once already, and I'm pretty sure it was the same pole, and that's why it was really backlash, because this chick doesn't know what she's doing. But I figured this would be kind of entertaining to see if we can teach her how to use one of these, because they're not the easiest things to use, but I think they're pretty easy, just, you know. But anyways, we're gonna basically just film her fishing. We're gonna try to teach her the ways of the Baitcaster, and maybe she'll catch a fish or something. Who knows? We'll see.
Yes.
You ready?
I'm ready.
Alright, pick the sucker up. And now we shall teach you the ways.
Okay.
Also, if you think she did a good job on the intro, leave a thumbs up. Okay.
No.
Are you ready?
Nope.
Alright, you know what you're doing.
No.
Okay. Right here. See, we got the button.
Yes.
We got the brake set to where you shouldn't be able to backflash, but who knows? Alright, so you're gonna take your thumb.
Thumb.
Oh, you're lefty, weirdo.
I'm sorry.
So you're gonna take your thumb.
If you want me to do it right-handed, I'll do it
There you
right-handed.
go. So you're gonna have part of your thumb on the spool,
Yes.
part of it on
I remember
the
that
button.
part.
Okay, you remember.
Yeah.
Alright, so you're gonna
Okay.
press the button, but you're gonna hold the tip of your thumb on the spool.
Okay.
So press the button with like the middle of your thumb. Alright. So now it's just like any other pull. You're gonna cast out, but when you cast, you're gonna like let your thumb off the spool a little bit, and then right before it hits the water, set it back on there.
Okay. You ready?
So if you don't stick your thumb back on the spool in time, your spool's gonna spin a lot faster than it should, and you're gonna backlash. So make sure you put your thumb back on there.
Okay.
All right, let's see what the first attempt looks like.
Ready? Good?
Not bad. What's the spool look like? Any backlash?
I don't think so.
Ooh, not bad, not bad, not
Okay.
bad. You only casted it like 15 feet, but not shabby, not shabby.
Yeah, we'll try again.
You got the old lipless crank, so we're gonna try this again.
There you go.
All right,
Okay.
attempt number 2.
All right.
Sling that sucker out there. Show them what you got.
Okay.
Rip it.
Button pushed. Thumb on the thing. All right, ready?
I'm ready.
Oh!
About the same spot.
It did do it?
But no backlash. Not bad.
Okay,
not
okay,
bad,
okay.
Not bad, not bad.
Third time's charm.
All right. Your goal is to get it. Let's see. You see these plants right there?
Yes.
Like the closest plants there?
Kind
Oh,
of.
another leaf. Nice. Hey, all right. So we're gonna try to get you to cast like right there.
Right, what? You're
Like-
pointing at water. There's
Okay.
no markers.
Yeah, come here, and I show you. So you see how those plants make like a little U?
That?
You're gonna try to get to like the middle of that.
Okay.
So that's probably about 50 feet, probably.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right.
All right.
Third time's a charm, huh?
Yeah.
Let her rip.
Ready? Oh,
A little better. You're getting better.
there's nothing.
Nice. No backlash? Dang, 3 times in a row with no backlash.
I'm scared.
You just need to let her rip.
I'm not even worried about catching a fish.
No, you just gotta let her rip. We gotta get your bait cast skills. So we're just gonna have you practice getting the distance. Then you're gonna practice on
If I catch
Like-
one more freaking leaf.
strategic casting.
Okay.
See how precise you can get. Fourth cast, we're gonna try to get you, once we get you out there,
Oh.
we're gonna be chilling. Ooh, you're getting out there. What's it look like? What's it look like? Still no backlash. Dang, I'm a little more impressed than I thought I was gonna be. Man, I was really hoping you were gonna backlash. Yeah, we're not even concerned about catching fish. Okay, what is this? 5th cast?
Yep.
Once you get it out there to like where that log is.
All right,
then
I'll
we'll-
throw it far.
All right, let her rip.
Ready?
Ooh, that's about where you need to be. What's it looking like?
Beautiful.
Dang.
Beautiful.
You backlash already? Look at this. Better than 90% of the fishermen out there. If she casts better than you with the Baitcaster, you have to subscribe and leave a like.
I probably do.
Alright, let her rip. Let her rip.
Okay.
Sling it out there.
Oh, wait.
Holy. Wow, look at you. Okay, well, you got the distance down. 6 tries and you got to where we needed you to be. You got one?
Did I get a fish?
You have one?
Do I?
Oh, you do?
I do.
No way! You got a fish! Wow, she's already caught more fish than I have in the last, like, 5 videos. No way! No way! Nice! Look at that. Your farthest cast and you caught a fish.
I know.
With the old Baitcaster. Is that your first Baitcast fish?
Yes!
Amazing.
I can't get it off. Hold on. There we go.
Nice.
Hold on. Professional. This fish cold.
Yeah. They're very cold this time of year. Nice.
No fishy.
No fishy. Alright, well, you actually caught a fish. I can't believe you've caught more fish in
Okay.
6 casts than I have in the last 500 casts. But...
Ready?
Alright, let's see the knife release. Let's see if you got the release down. You got the casting down. You have the fish release down.
You ready for this?
Wow.
Tell me that wasn't beautiful.
That was the most majestic fish release I've ever seen in my life. Good job. High five. Nice.
Alright, let's go.
Okay, we are now in segment 2 of today's video, and that's going to be targeting your cast.
I don't even know what that means.
We're gonna see if
If
you
I
can
can get
precisely
it somewhere-
cast it to somewhere like a designated spot.
I can't even do that with the little clicker ones.
Nah, you got this. You got this. Okay, let's start somewhere easy. Okay, so see if you can, okay, see the closest like cattail jigger there.
Right there.
Yeah, you're just gonna try to cast it right in front of it without hitting it.
Okay. You gotta watch out.
All right, let's see it.
Ready? Oh, nope. Close.
Close, just a couple feet off. All right, reel it in. Try again. Ooh, you're getting closer. That's pretty good.
I'm not very good at it.
God, you're just naturally a good fisherwoman.
Thank you. All
Cast
right.
number 3. Let's see if you can do it.
Right there.
Right there. You got it.
Oh no!
Oh no! Did you do it fine?
Yeah. There you go.
Just see the image. Holy bro.
Okay. I was doing so good.
Well, give me 5 minutes. I gotta pull this backlash out. So.
I was doing so good too. Oh well.
Just like that. It's like a brand new reel. I don't remember if you even got it there or
I
not.
didn't.
You got close.
I thought I was going to with that one.
Yeah, I don't know what cast is this, like 4 or 5, something like that? We'll say 5.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm not good at math. Alright.
Yeah, I'm not really good at science either. Ooh, that's pretty good. I'd take that one. I'll take that one.
Yeet.
One last test.
What?
The 3rd segment of today's video.
Okay.
You ready for this?
Nope.
The sidearm cast.
I can't.
Okay, you got this. I believe in you. You know how to sidearm cast, I imagine.
Yes.
You know the
with,
idea of it.
With the other ones.
Oh, see, it's the same concept. You're just gonna, like so. You're just gonna. Beautiful. Look at that. Look at that. Easy.
Easy.
Easy. You got it.
Easy. Okay.
Oh my god. I see we need to teach you how to get leaves off of your hook and stuff. How did you hook it through the eye like that? Okay,
Alright.
let's see the sidearm cast.
Okay.
Part 1.
Oh.
Holy. Okay, that's not bad. Not bad, not bad. But you want to see if you can get it straight.
Okay.
Well, the point of sidearm casting, well, I just do it just naturally, just like my normal cast. But see if you can, like, since you're doing it from that side, see if you can sidearm cast it, like, basically under that tree right here.
Oh.
See if you can get it under the limbs without hitting the tree. You got this. I believe in you. This is how much faith I have in you.
Alright. Ready? Oh. There we go.
That's close. It was by a tree, not the right one. But it was close. All right, let's see it. Attempt number 2. Or 3. Oh, same spot. Nice.
Well, maybe if you just say that I could cast it by that.
No, it's not that.
Okay.
Attempt number 4. You got this. Under that tree right there.
Ah!
Well.
I just have a thing for that thing.
Ooh. Oh. All right. 5th try. You got all the other ones in like 5 or 6 tries. So see if you can get this one. This is the one. That's not bad. Not bad. A little farther up, but that wasn't too bad.
Isn't that where I was supposed to be going?
Do I give you that one?
Isn't that where I was supposed to be going?
Basically, but a little farther under.
Okay, here, I'll try one more time.
Okay, last try.
Get
See
this
it.
leaf up.
You got this. Okay, let's see what you got. Last
Okay.
try.
Alright.
Now that was pretty decent. That was pretty good. Pretty good.
Thank you.
Pretty good. Pretty good.
Thank you.
Okay, I guess I'll give you a high five for that one. That's pretty good. Pretty good. You passed all the tests. You're a certified baitcaster woman now.
Really? Do I get a
Yes.
certificate?
You're a master caster now. So what does this mean?
I'm a master caster. Better than you.
Oh.
What?
You catch one fish and you're just instantly better than me. I guess technically that makes you better than me. Like 3 videos now, I don't think I've caught a fish.
Okay.
Okay, well, I think she's
Ice cream.
donezo. She's donezo. She's passed all the tests of being a bait caster So, if you guys think she did an amazing job and she's a qualified bait caster now, leave a thumbs up.
Yes.
And subscribe for her.
Yes.
For more content with this thing.
Yeah.
So, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. It was pretty fun teaching her how to use a bait caster, even though she was actually decent at it, which was very weird. But I still have to teach my little brother how to cast a bait caster. We'll see if he's any better than Kaylee. She doesn't think so. I think he will be. It's in our blood.
Rude.
Maybe not him because he just plays video games, but it's in my blood. So if you guys enjoyed today's video, leave a thumbs up and subscribe. We have lots more videos with Kaylee Dawn because I need to whoop her butt in some boyfriend versus girlfriend. Maybe we'll get some ice fishing videos if I can drag her out to do some of the things like that, or some other interesting videos. But I guess this is it. Adios. Say goodbye. And we'll catch you guys on the next episode of Bad Bass Fishing. And folks, like always,
Stay hooked.